Consider 1500 crore market cap company. No analyst covers it. There is no brokerage income for brokerage houses to justify the effort. No large mutual fund can build a meaningful position without moving the price against themselves. No institutional mandate requires ownership, and no index forces passive buying. There is no financial reputational cost to ignoring it entirely. Now consider this. 5,000 crore fund thinking of 2% allocation would mean 100 crore investment. For a 1500 crore company with 75% promoter holding, the investment amounts to 25% of its free float. Due to this, the segment is largely untouchable from these institutions. In this environment, a company with 100 crore in net profit growing at 20% annually can trade at 10 times earnings or lower for years together. Not because the market has looked at it and found it unappealing, but because no one with meaningful capital is required to care or look at it. For companies above 10,000, 15,000 crore market cap, fair value is a live, contested, and continuously enforced number. Research coverage begins for those size of companies. Multiple sell-side analysts to cover the stock. Institutional fund manager face career consequences for ignoring the company or the sector where it's operating. Domestic mutual fund, PMSs, AIFs, and FIIs are all active participants, each bringing their own models and refreshing the price constantly. Every new information is analyzed to the second decimal and priced accordingly. Participants can enter and exit cleanly. Narrative forms, the stock finds an audience. Hence, a company of this size growing at 20% ends up at 30 or 40 price earning. Our whole goal of investing is investing at a small cap company where no one is looking at it presently. Enjoy the fruits of the P expansion as well as the profit expansion when the investee company eventually crosses 10,000 crore market cap.